Hello and welcome to Starscape. My name is John Dunn and today we're discussing one aspect of our Infinity star sealing system. As Infinity is modular, distributing light to each panel was a challenge. We think we've come up with a solution with our Hydra light splitter and carrier tail system. So let's turn over the panels and have a look at the component parts. We've turned the panels over, so let's have a look at the component parts of the system. The light source, in this case a mini LED 600, it's got twin optical ports, so it can accommodate two Hydra light splitters. This is a Hydra 6, it's got 6 outputs and a single input. The carrier tail, this carries light from the Hydra to the panel. It's got 2 ferrules, as you can see, very flexible. Light does go around corners. And the panel tail itself. The panel tail contains 100 mixed diameter fibers that populate the panel. They radiate out, you can see them radiating out here from the common end. So let's go ahead and put everything together. So the mini LED 600 with two outputs can accommodate 2 Hydras, 12 tails, so that's 12 panels, 12 square meters of star sealing from this little light source. So at the moment the connectors are push fits. So that's one panel connected. And here connecting the second panel. There we are, a matter of moments, 2 panels connected to the light source. The connectors are being upgraded. Hopefully by the end of 2018 we'll have mechanical connectors which will make the system a bit more robust. I'm John Dunn. I thank you for watching. If you have any questions at all, call us on 01289 332 900 or email info@starscape.co.uk. Hope to see you next time.